keeping break on. Lovely atmosphere. And the fans keep on trooping. My name is Kwa Victor. I'll be your commentator, and my co-commentator this afternoon will be Phil Annan. Well, you can see the two captains, Benjamin Asari, together with Justice Blake, who died in his habits. When Benjamin Asari just returning from the camp of the Black Galaxies, the man who kept 7 clean sheets already. And the big question is it going to continue? That's scintillating from here. That's a captivating view of the Babaya Sports Stadium for you. That's the folks starting 11. Benjamin Asari, Oben goalpost, captain of the side. Theophilus Collington, maintaining side. Amoah, Oben Perrin, with Osesibe. Asamanku have been shifted to the right hand side, but interesting stuff happening in Hasselhoff middle with Salim Adams and Theophilus Collington. Well, just 2 players who have played in a previous fixture when Asante Kotoko beat across the floor by 2 goals to 0. And those men is Martin Kakari and Salim Adams getting the opportunity to start this afternoon. But for Kotoko, they've got 3 men in Peter Midwakwa, in Timeno, and Justice Blake. The 3 players who started in the previous encounter. And the Porcupine Warriors stole the show by 2 goals to 0 to Stephen Decimo Kuala, who is no longer with the Red Army.
Hearts of Oak look very poised for this encounter. Kotoko themselves are very... I believe we have a game on our hands this afternoon, and everyone would have to be ready to...
So they see Kamara will be running to take his position. The Porcupine Warriors have kept just 2 clean sheets. There's a man most of the Kotoko fans will be expecting to make some fantastic save. As for his opposite number, best GPL goalkeeper last season with Great Olympics, and he has continued with his terrific form in the rainbow colors.
Kamara himself
has been a very quiet afternoon for Benjamin Asari. And he has successfully down the right hand side. Who would like to use that channel? He's looking for a second, couldn't find it. Got a good players when he hits that one. And he's been hoping to catch the 4 before the break. 33 minutes. And the scoreline is still intact. Asante Kotoko 0. Across the 4-0. Well, here's Hasselhoff free kick. Play heads it out. Hamza, Hussein, Salim. And Kotoko survives it. Of a diminutive figure, Saint Mohammed. And again, it's a very tough customer to always deal with. Aqua, Asari not got any opportunity. Plays to the right side with that ball that was floated ahead of him. And the fans will keep on cheering both sides on. When Coach Abubakar Watara on your screens a while ago for the side test, 5 minutes, and they had no charge for it. Hussein's got them, a referee out none of that. Intimenu looking for Ahmed Amoah. Asante stops him. What a defender is made this afternoon. The foot line, dictating the pace of the game from that area.
Very aggressive, and he's in charge at the back, just like you said. And looking at these two players for Accra Hearts of Oak, Benjamin Asari and Osei Sibe, they've held the back very well for Accra Hearts of Oak.
Oh, certainly quality out of Babaya Sports Stadium, especially with the way these two teams have passing out this afternoon. And that's the man, Dr. Prosper Ogum, a man who's got an intact record against the Phobians. 4 games, and he's had 4 wins. In charge of his 5th Super Clash, Ghana's El Clasico. But the big question is, will we be able to mastermind another victory this afternoon? Here's Amoah. Collinson looks for Martin Kakari. Giving a bit of chase by Patrick Asiadu. Move fast. It's my kind of process. And that's a big relief for the Phobians. Oh, watch it once again. It's a lovely way to break out of that narrow space. Enjoying his second Super Class for the second time. Martin Kakari featured in the previous one. And the same manager, Coach Abubakar Watara. His second game at this venue after losing on the first one. Less than 10 minutes to hit the first 35 minutes. And the tagline is saying no goes to show for. But here's Hussein down the corner flag. And Team Meno standing on it. And it will be Kotoko's advantage.
Kotoko's players look very tall, very aggressive, and can be very physical when they want to be. They've really kept the Accra Hearts of Oak attackers at bay in the first half of the game.
Here's Justice play, twisting and turning. The captain, fantastic. With so much energy from him. The first kid that he's been able to at least win that challenge. Just look at it. A bit ruthless on that occasion, isn't it? Gets to that battle. A very tough customer. Great physique. Just look at it. One shot. Brought down in the process, but the referee have none of that. This was a straight ball. Oh, was pushed onto his back, but again, that's a bit of brave defending. Oh, 2 minutes of additional time already declared, but here comes Lord Amoah running down that channel. Sensing the killer. Aqua Metin, Abet Amoah. He turns and again. Samuel Amoah. Oh! The referee and Tiamo have none of that. Places advantage. It's Lord Amoah. That's a bit of kick. Just whip that front. And Kamara have been invited a bit. On the Porcupine Warrior bench, a bit shocked that now one's getting a penalty. And here's Mohamed Kamara complaining a bit, just wondering what he's complaining about. Now here was the movement, just look at it again. And the killer was brought in, headed by Peter Miruwakwa, brought down by Ahmed Amoah. And the final attack from behind. Just wondering if it got the penultimate start to result in a penalty. I think it's a bit feeble. It's a very, very tight decision to make. Very, very tight. as we almost heading for the final. We still have this first half department of the game. Lifted deep. And also for clear their line. Justice Blair returns it into House of Folk territory. It's brought into the middle. Theophilus Collinson picks it up. Here's got Kwabena Boateng at the far left hand side. Hussein ahead of him. It's going to be a cross into the box. Curry picks it. And let's go Patrick Asedo to deal with. Wants to be a real battle. On the right hand side, Betim gets into the box. Yes, Hamza. This could be long. That's a bit dangerous. Kara finally gets his hand to it. Nearly coming up Joseph Pablo, and that does it for the first department of the game. It's even after 45 minutes of an exciting play. Riveting start from the Barbara Sports Stadium. Incredible scenes, atmosphere very electric, and this referee has been running to and fro in this game. Why you got to it? Abla rise first and classes line. Got a man goes to the ground, just wondering who is that. And that's Maui Wayo. And the referee is calling for the stretcher. As Watara watches on from his bench. Well, he's been clear. It's either he's coming to Kumasi to pick to the maximum point, or unless you nest the point from the game, and that is what he seems to be doing at the moment. If it stays this way, it's a very lively movement from Emmanuel Entry. No wonder he caught that attention of head coach Tuano. But the fans will not just keep quiet in the stands. 5 minutes of additional time.
We'll be doing a minimum of 5 minutes of added time. 5 minutes.
There's lots of minutes for these two clubs to make comments and see if they can create a bit of magic. Yes, Osai Lord Amoah brings it forward. This could be a big chance. Osai classes line. That could be big. On the best of touch. Ever for. A glorious opportunity for him.
This is the day for Kotoko. Missing chances has been the order of the day. They've created so many chances. They could have beaten Accra Folk by 5 goals to 0 in this game. They've created so many chances. Unfortunately, they've not made sure they buried their chances.
All is out and looks to be a throw-in. But again, Phil Riley puts it. Okay, coming from Titbull for really telling the story of the Porcupine Warriors. Well, failing to baptize this ground for the first time this season since returning from the Boise Lane Class Stadium. Here's Hamza. Sorry, goes down into the Kotoko story. Quickly taken by Lord Amoah. A lovely play from Rafael Aponsan to pick it off his chest. That's a bit of skill there.
Kotoko looks to be more direct. They've been more direct in this game and have created so many chances. Accra Folk sometimes seem casual. Sometimes they make the attack look like they are creating, they want to score, but unfortunately, they've had less. They've created less of chances in this game.
Well, Fernando Bassett drops deep to help with defensive duties. Play hits it up front, looking for Che. Ransford Mensah. This is a very lovely play. It's Ahmed Amoah, but again comes off against Osasune. Really spreading his tentacles, quite well out the back to block that one. Lord Amoah, Kotoko attacking, and G again, it's just heavy. Just heavy.
This is fantastic. The fans there's so much excitement in the stands. They are happy to see their teams play like this. It's unfortunate there's not been goals, but the quality of play is outstanding. This is Kumasi Asante Kotoko versus Accra Hearts of Oak.
Here's Blade trying to push forward in this last minute. With less than 2 minutes to play for. Raffle up what's up next it. Again, the wish still already up against the Phobians. That's Patrick Garcia who sent it across, but this was an incident. Well, let's see. Oh my goodness, another real hit there with a real stinger from Emmanuel Lanty. And the crowd just loving it.
Man of the match is player number 5 of Hearts of Oak.
Certainly, Asante confirmed man of the match in the super class. 150th minute and today is Asante who gets his name in the archives of history.
That tells you that the fans are so excited. They love the man. They love Asante, especially the Accra Hearts of Oak fans.
To Hearts of Oak territory. Few minutes or few seconds to go, beg your pardon. Asare, Salim, lovely touch. I need to watch. Goes down, that's quite silly, isn't it? You don't fall at this moment. Kotoko will have to attack. Asante